Happy birthday to an amazing person. Today marks a special day for you, boss. A day to celebrate with love, life, and all of the joy that comes with it. Happy birthday, boss.
Happy birthday, Ma'am! I love you! Piyawa sinawla utarin umul mo, inshallah.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the birthday celebration of Boss Papang. I thought that this is going to be just a simple celebration. Well, look around you. It's anything but simple.
For so many years, I have always been with my family. And so many years too, decades, I have been with my people. Kwan na ba? Diabaran ko na namin rayat ko, namin bangsa ko. Dia part na sin family ko.
Pero si Papang po ang pinakaunang taong minahal ko. At siya lang din po ang pinaka nagmamahal sa akin na tao. Wag lang magseselos yung asawa ko.
Happy 75th birthday kay mo. We love you more than ourselves. Mas malasa pa kami kay mo rin sin baran na mo. Inshallah, busan pa kau umul mahaba sin Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Patauron pa inamon birthday, dumatong, hasusungon, hasupaya, makaiban, makaguide, pakaw kamo, iban sin tumindog, asalasal day sab, ikaw inamon piyag tatawmaasan sing kami, piyag mamaasan sing kami, inshallah, tumaud pa in wakto, amon ikaw in mahinang uhanan sing kami katan.
I do not want to be called by any other name. Oh, because my name is only my name, and that is Bangsa Sub.
Salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal. Salamat at lagi mong inuuna ang mga pangangailangan namin bago ang sarili mo. Sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa amin, sa pamilya at sa lahat ng tao dito sa Sulu. Maraming salamat, Pang. Happy 75th birthday.
Happy birthday, Pa.
Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Piling ko, buko na dyan ko family ko. Piling ko, harayat ako. I do not feel that I am owned only by my family. Feeling ko I am owned by everybody. I am a public property, a property of my people.
Boss Papang, we love you!
Today, we don't just celebrate a birthday, we honor a legacy, a great man, a great leader, a great father. Abdussakur M. Tan is more than a name. He is a force, a guiding light in times of darkness, a steady hand in moments of change, the heart and soul of a province he has led with unmatched courage and compassion.
Hari kami kapasaran, bukod naman baran sing kaanakan mo biya kamo, sambil na patawro kaing ingkawa kay mo biya da ama, iban ingkawa mo kanila biya day sa mga kaanakan sinikaw. Nahinangkaw bukod sadya ama sing kami, sa na ama sin lupasog, ama sin bangsasog. Magsukol kami pa Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, giwaan kami, piaratungan kami, piapanjarihan niya kami. Sinambuok mano siya biya kay mo, amon way roon nagpikil sinbaran sa malengkan, amon kami katan kahalan na mo inpipikil. Magsukol kami kaniyo kay mo pang way roon tawaran.
Today we celebrate the life of a man who gave his all for Sulu. Let us rejoice and let us honor him with the love he so greatly deserves. Happy birthday, Boss Papang, the pride of Sulu, now and always.
Happy birthday, Pang. Words are not enough to express how grateful we are to have you. Thank you for always being there for us, for loving us equally. Know that we have always been proud of you, not just as a leader, but as a father. May Allah bless you with a long and healthy life, and may you have many more birthdays to come. We love you.
Of course, everybody goes. But when I go, Loco, sana I want to go with all the meaning of what life is. And if ever, whenever I go, I want a very meaningful death. And that is for my people. Pasensya, sana, long ko mga kumatay, matay ako ang sibangsa ko.
Happy birthday, Pang. Rest assured that we will always honor you, your strength, your sacrifices, and all the love that you have given us, your children, including your grandchildren. We will always honor all of that. And alam mo naman that we are also proud of you. I love you, Pang.